Welcome to this quick another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can import your contacts into the GoHighLevel CRM with ease and within few minutes without having to face any kind of problem. As you can see, this is my Excel sheet, right? It has some columns. So first of all, we have name, we have email, we have phone number, then we have country, we have tag, right? We have address, we have company. We are going to map all of this together inside your GoHighLevel CRM, and GoHighLevel CRM is already smart enough to map most of it already. But in case it faces any problem, I'm going to show you how to do it as well. First things first, what you need to do is you need to take this Excel sheet and convert it into a CSV file, because that's what GoHighLevel supports, right? It supports a CSV file. So in case you have a CSV Excel sheet, just change it to a CSV file and go to your GoHighLevel account, right? As you can see, this is your GoHighLevel contact section, and within this section we are going to upload or import our Excel sheet, right? Or the CSV file that we just created. So first of all, go get into your sub account, right? Once you are in the sub account, go to your contact section. Now, as you can see, there are multiple tabs here with multiple different meanings. So the first things first here is it's called as export contacts, and this one is called as import contacts. Since we're going to import contacts from outside to CRM, we're going to click on this particular option. So let's click here. As you can see, the moment I click here, it kind of shows me whether I want to import contacts or whether I want to import opportunities. So on importing contacts here, and then I'm going to press next. The moment you select next, it's going to give you that section of upload, right? This is where you can upload CSV file. You can just upload, click and drag here with a maximum size of 30 mega, right? So before uploading files, make sure that your file is ready to import, right? To download, you can download a sample file where it's going to show you how exactly it should look and all of that part. Since I already have that got, so I'm just simply going to add it here. Let me quickly upload from the CSV file. All right, as you can see, this is 100% upload. So choose how to import contacts. You can choose to create and update contact, just update contact or create contact. So create contact is basically any contact that you have provided. It's just going to create a contact for you inside your GoHighLevel. If the contact already exists and you choose the second option, then it's only going to create as well as update any existing contact that might be there inside your GoHighLevel account, which is basically a duplicate. And the third one is just update contact, which basically means that it's not going to create any new contact. But if there is an existing contact that's available inside a GoHighLevel CRM, then it's going to update it with the current version of the CSV file which you just up. Now, in this case, I'm going to click on create and update contact, right? Contact ID, email, then phone, all of this is fine. I'm going to click on next. Right. The third option here is to map certain field, which is very important. Fields required to create contact, update contact is fine here. As you can see, the first name goes like this and it's mapped as name. The second name goes like this and it mapped like email, which is fine. Phone number goes like this. It's already mapped with phone number. Now, all of this, let me tell you, is done by GoHighLevel. So we're kind of already, in the right hand. So that should not be an issue. Then we need to do have phone numbers. The country is already, tags are already mapped as tags, address is also mapped as address, and we also have the company name mapped as company. So we literally have everything that we need in order for us to proceed forward in the mapping process. The only way it could got done is that I use the name for every single column. Let me show it to you here. As you can, the name here, about all the names that I have in my Excel sheet is name. For this I have email, for this I have phone, for this I have country, for this I have tags, for this I have address, and for the last one I have company. Similarly, you need to have all these details correctly added. You could also just download the sample sheet that was provided to you in the initial start phase. All right. Since all of these are already connected and added properly, I'm just going to click on next in order for it to. Now, as you can see, you can create a smart list for all the new contacts created by the import. And I think the number here is just fine. I can edit them I want. I'll just going to add tutorial YouTube tutorial, right? Add import contacts to a workflow in case you want to add it to any kind of workflow. For example, you want to send them any kind of email, any kind of notifications and all that. You can do that, but I don't need to here, so I'm going to turn that off. You can also add a tag here. So they already had a tag. In case you already saw it, they already had a tag. Some had leads, some had clients, some had some had partners, and some as vendors. But here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add. So I already have a lot of tags in case I want to add it, but then I'm going to create a tag called YouTube. That's the tag is not available, so I'm going to create it, and I just added a tag called as YouTube. So that's added. All the maps, all the fields are mapped here. As you can see, they look perfect, right? So I'm just going to, start bulb, please accept the disclaimer. There is a disclaimer that I need to accept, which is I confirm all contact in this imports have been consented to hear from us. I've previously contacted them within the past year, and this list is not from a third party. Now I just created a dummy list, but for you, make sure they are that you're authorized in order to add them to your CRM and do further marketing purposes for all the legal reasons. Apart from that, let's go ahead and click on start bulk import. The moment you click on that, this is going to do its job and it's going to import everything. As you can see, it created a smart list here, right? And if you click on it, it's going to show me all the bulk import that's happening over time, right? At the same time, you can see all the bulk actions available, right? This is the one contact database. So the September 6th, right? This is also imported and added, right? I'm going to click here, smart list, and I'm going to see that everything is added here. So first things first, you have the name here, right? It has all the names that I wanted. It has the phone number, it has the emails, it has the created on because I just created on now. So that's also it. No last activity since I have sent any emails or SMS. So that's taken care. The tags that it already got from this particular, Excel sheet, along with the tag that I added, which is huge when I was importing it, all of that added. Now, many of you want to ask this question that Pritam, you had all these fields, which is name, email, phone number, tags, address. We do not have everything here. We definitely do not have the company. We don't the particular, address. So how do we? So for this, when you click on columns, right, you can add here address, right? You can also add company name. The moment you add everything here, you will be able to see that all these details are being added here. That's basically how you make sure that all the details when you import are also visible. You could also filter all your contacts based on business name, company name, email, first name, full name, last name, any kind of tags. For example, if I want to add a tag that is partner, right? Because I already had 10 contacts name at partner. I'm just going to click on apply. And as you can see, I already got these leads. Like some are still importing, so it's probably going to take some time in order for the entire list to be available. But then as you can see, this is already available now here. So again, bulk action here that is being worked upon, and then this is smart list here. So that's pretty much how you import contact list into your GoHighLevel account with a CSV file. I hope that was clear to you. In case you have any kind of questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you out and get over it. All right. Thank you so much. Have a great day. I'll see you soon on the